Hong Kong is a gourmet's paradise. A rich variety of cuisines can be found all around the city. Even if you are home, you can have tasty meals delivered to your door. While enjoying your goodies, have you ever wondered whether they are safe to eat? With the increasing diversity of food available on the market, globalization of the food trade and advancements in food technology, the public has growing expectations about the quality and safety of our food. The Centre for Food Safety of the Food and Environmental Hygiene Department develops and implements effective food safety control measures, engages in work ranging from setting of food safety standards, food sampling, follow-up actions on food incidents to publicity and education. With a commitment to be a leading food authority that commands the confidence of all stakeholders in protecting the health of Hong Kong people. Food safety involves a diversity of areas, many of which are closely related to our life, such as medicine, food science, nutrition, and veterinary medicine, which is why the Centre is comprised of a multidisciplinary team of professionals. The Centre adopts a risk analysis framework promulgated by international food safety authorities, which encompasses risk assessment, risk management, and risk communication in ensuring food safety. Risk assessment is conducted on the basis of scientific evidence to analyze food-related hazards, such as chemical hazards and microbiological hazards, so as to assess food safety risks for the public and to form the grounds for formulation of public policies on food safety in Hong Kong to protect public health. In updating food safety standards and enacting relevant legislation, the Centre makes reference to a number of factors, including local and overseas risk assessment results, international practices such as those of the Codex Alimentarius Commission and other countries, as well as views from the Expert Committee on Food Safety. Also, the Centre conducts various studies, including Food Consumption Survey and Total Diet Study. The Food Consumption Survey gives an understanding of the types and amounts of food consumed by the population, while the Total Diet Study tests the concentration of chemicals in food to assess the dietary exposures to these chemicals for various population groups and their associated health risks. In the area of risk management, the Centre implements a food surveillance program on a risk-based principle. Food samples are taken at import, wholesale and retail levels for testing in order to have a comprehensive analysis of the potential risks of food for sale on the local market. Stringent food import control measures, including establishment of import agreements with exporting countries according to food safety principles, are exercised for effective control at source. Examination of relevant documents, including health certificates, and sampling of food for testing on a risk-based approach are also carried out at import control points. The Centre also conducts investigations of food poisoning incidents, including investigations of foodborne illness outbreaks at food premises, and manages food safety incidents. If any food is found to pose a risk to human health, a food recall will be initiated under the coordination of the Centre, whether any persons have been affected or not. To enhance control at source, the Centre closely liaises with food authorities of exporting countries and areas, such as the Rapid Alert System for Food and Feed of the European Commission and the International Food Safety Authorities Network. The Centre is committed to embracing technology and innovation to improve public service delivery. A one-stop electronic communication platform, the Food Trader Portal, has been established to process electronically trader registration and renewal, import and export documentation, as well as consignment arrival reports, thereby helping the trade to enhance operational efficiency and reduce operating costs. How can the services of the Food Trader Portal enhance the operational efficiency of the trade? Here is a simple example. For the import of chilled meat and poultry by land or air, importers can have their import licenses issued in a few hours if they submit their applications electronically through the Food Trader Portal, which is much faster and more convenient than making paper mode applications where licenses will only be available on the third working day after submission. As for risk communication, The Centre disseminates timely information on food safety to the public and the trade through various channels. With the continuous advancements in information technology and increasing popularity of smartphones, the Centre also makes good use of online social platforms for efficient dissemination of food safety information in a more interactive and diversified manner with the use of other channels. As an evidence-based and expert-oriented organisation, the Centre has established an expert committee on food safety to listen to different views on food safety issues such as regulation of food. Since 2010, the Centre has been designated by the World Health Organization as a collaborating centre for risk analysis of chemicals in food. Tripartite collaboration is what the Centre promotes to enhance communication of the government with the trade and the public. Other than a trade consultation forum conducted regularly, the Centre has also formed a consumer liaison group to provide platforms for different stakeholders to exchange views on food safety issues. In addition, the Centre maintains close ties with various international food safety agencies and shares professional views with other countries. Through tripartite collaboration among the government, the food trade and consumers, the Centre will devote every effort to ensure the safety of food in Hong Kong.